Hi Aquarius, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 14th of March. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly see what this week has for you. What I see from the cards is you have the Ace of Pentacles, the Five of Pentacles and the Magician card. Your person has the Queen of Swords, the Four of Wands and the Ten of Wands. Bottom of the deck I have the Judgment card. So there was somebody, either you or your person, who had a judgment call. Once the third eye opens, you're able to see clearly how things are progressing and what could have happened that could have impacted the relationship. Now what I see for you here is you have the Ace of Pentacles. With the Ace of Pentacles, you want a very stable relationship with this person. You want to start small maybe, but you want to build on that relationship. And you currently don't want anybody, okay, any outside force to impact this relationship, because maybe this is something that you've gone through in the past, where you understand that, if you let outsiders come in and, you discuss things with them and you don't know how much you can trust them, that can also impact the relationship because it impacts your thought process as well. So what you want to do is you want to be in the Magician energy, wherein you want to go ahead and ensure that all the four elements work in your favor. You want to go ahead and command them to do things so that this particular relationship works in your favor. Now what I see for your person is they have the Queen of Pentacles, the Queen of Swords energy. With that, they want to have a very honest conversation with you. So if there is something that is hidden, something that maybe you have not told them, maybe with regards to this outside force, maybe you should have that conversation with them, because this person definitely wanted Four of Wands, okay, and with the Four of Wands, they wanted a very committed relationship. Maybe they were looking for marriage and that's what they were hoping for, but currently they feel a lot of burden. With the Ten of Wands, they feel that they carry the burden of this relationship and it didn't move forward in the direction that they intended or they wanted this relationship to move. Now let's take one card here, which is the intention of this person. The intention is the Emperor. So they are looking forward to leading this particular relationship in the direction that they initially had planned. Now this also could mean that you are dealing with somebody who's an Aries, okay, so that's an Aries card. Let's also take one more card. Yes, that's the Ace of Cups. They have a lot of love for you. They want to offer that cup of love to you, but they also want to lead this particular relationship in the direction that they want to ensure that it reaches the Four of Wands. Okay, let's take one more card here. Now I see that we have the Three of Swords. But the Three of Swords, it could mean that there was a third party situation for some of you, or it could be a lot of heartbreak that this person felt because of maybe something that you did, okay, or maybe some outside force that came in between the two of you. It could be, again, anything. It could be a person, it could be a situation, anything which impacted this relationship and hurt this person could be the Three of Swords energy. Now let's take one card here, which is the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Peacock Copper, and the crystal message is, are you in touch with your magnificence? Find ways to bring more joy into your life. Be aware of the sources of your emotional challenges or perceived blocks so that you can release them. Get in touch with your inner radiance and shine your light brightly. The message from Archangel Sandalphon, I'll put in the description box. You can read it from there. Now that's all I have for you for this particular week. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until next time, please stay safe and love yourself first.